made some honest filing mistakes, and pow, the IRS nailed him with a huge tax bill. Ted struggled for years to do that.
The Israelites had been doing. They were engaging in idolatry.
For your chance to see the fight for free. That's Davis versus Senator.
Each other out, the more complicated the equation gets. Back when I got into broadcasting, you could...
Again with Paul Rogers.
From the Chilton Auto Body Traffic Desk on the Dublin Gray.
1-800-890-1843.
Trying to stir the pot by making false...
Tom McKenzie, Bloomberg.
Para comentarle esto y más, tengo la presencia por vía del teléfono desde las...
Americans are going nuts.
Well, yes, we've had it.
That would go up in the crack, and we had this high horsepower weed blower that blew all the leaves off from the side of the
Juan Natale
Federico Margenet
y Lucas Giuliano.
Present situation. That's what I'm trying to get across to you today. We have the written word of God. We have it. There's no, and it's not going to be added to or taken away from. And heaven